Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning dua when we are just to look at mirror. Because Allah made our face, our body, mashallah, a beautiful. So we must be thankful to Allah. And we request when we are just to look at our body, at our face in the mirror, we have to request with this dua, Allahumma antha hasantha khalqi khulqi. Allahumma antha hasantha khalqi khulqi. Allahumma anta hasantha khalqi khulqi. Allahumma, O Allah, antha hasantha, you made me beautiful. Khalqi, my shape, my body, my face, my features. O Allah, as you made my features beautiful, my body beautiful, fahassin, so make beautiful, khulqi, my manners also. Allahumma anta hasantha khalqi khulqi. O Allah, as you made my physical form beautiful, so bless my character and my manners beautiful also. So we have to request Allah with this dua when we are just to look at mirror. So we have to request that, O Allah, you made my physical form beautiful, so please make my manners, my character beautiful also, so that I should be in good eyes before you. So if we make a dua, inshallah, dua will be accepted and Allah's blessings will fall on us. Holy Prophet ﷺ also said that the people who will go into Jannah, the person who will entering in Jannah from one of them, that one will have nothing but only beautiful akhlaq. So the akhlaq is the main thing that is a source towards Jannah. So we have to make our akhlaq more better and request with dua when we are just to look at our face, our body in the mirror. We should say, O Allah, you made my body, my face so much beautiful, so please make my akhlaq, make my manners and character beautiful also. Allahumma anta hasantha khalqi khulqi. So we have to read this dua, inshallah, Allah's blessing will fall on us. Ameen.